Thutha wa ithurano nene riu miaho yothe minene ya Kenya Kwanza udumwe na Azimio la Umoja mari ihenya-ini ria gwethana na uge bunge-ini ya Senate na bunge ya bururi niguo kugia na uhuthu wa kuhitukia agenda cia ngwataniro ici bunge-ini cieri.
Also agreed that Kenya Kwanza is going to run a mentorship program for our new members so that we can make them better, more effective, more efficient legislators and people's representatives.
Bunge ya bururi ikoragwo na amemba 349, bunge 290 kuma icigo bunge ciothe guku bururi-ini, bunge atumia 47 kuma kuri kaunti ciothe na bunge 12 a guthukio. Riu namba ino ikioneka kugayana hakuhi na nuthu, Azimio makigwatira amemba 162 nao Kenya Kwanza mari na amemba 159 na 12 aria mararugama kiumbe.
We can better train them to be able to appropriate their responsibilities of oversight, their responsibilities of legislating, and their responsibilities of representation.
Kuona amemba athure na tigiti wa mundu kiumbe ni makuranagio hari matua ma bunge ya bururi, President muthure Dagitari William Ruto riu akahiuka na mituki kumahe guoko gwake metikire kuruta wira hamwe nake na akemathira 10 hari 12.
We will shortly settle down to getting Kenya working. I want to ask each and every one of you, as I do ask all leaders in Kenya, to join hands so that we can take the country forward.
Abunge aria William Ruto aegwateire ni hamwe na mubunge muthure wa menti ya Kianda Rahim Dawood, Elijah Njoroge kururia wa Gatundu ya Rugongo, Nebat Muriuki wa mbere ya Kianda, Jeffrey Malanya wa Namba, Kitilai Ntutu wa Narok ya Kianda, Fatuma Muhammad wa Migori, Caroline Gelechei wa Elgeyo Marakwet, hagatagati kagi.
From lofty mountains grandeur.
Ona makiria akaheana mahinya kuri abunge othe ukorwo magikuranio hari mihango ya guthurima maminista handu ha kamiti cia mwanya iria irakoragwo ikiumbo mbere yo.
To get to the floor of the House and answer questions and explain government policy on the floor of the House so that the people's representatives, members of parliament and senators can interrogate what their government is doing.
Bunge-ini ya Senate bara no taino Kenya Kwanza mari na iturwa 24 guku Azimio makinyitirira ite 23 orire maseneta 20 merigiririo ko magithukio ari hamwe na atumia 16 a youth eri udumwe na andu eri aria mekurugamirira andu aria mari na mawathe gukinyia namba ya Senate andu 67. Mothe kenda wa 10 hihi gatagati ga Kenya Kwanza na Azimio no ukorwo kihiuria mucarisha bunge-ini ya Senate udumwe na bunge ya 13 ya bururi. Handu-ini ha Wega TV ria kuoneka mau wa Githiji.